Check this out, everybody. So Jeff has knocked out the countertop on the kitchen island and it looks amazing. You just finished varnishing it and you said you're waiting on the sink.
I need to put the sink in to put the trim around it because it needs to bump, since it's a farm style sink, it needs to bump into the sink on the front side. So.
There you go.
But because I'm going to put about, this will need about 4 coats of polyurethane on just because there'll be a lot of water involved in that area. So.
Yeah. Yeah, I like to cook, so, and I make messes, but looks good, looks good.
I bought these.
Hi. I never know what you're talking about.
Hi.
Hi.
All right, so
Hi.
Alyssa has bad news.
No, I have good news and bad news. So the good news is we finished sewing all of the curtains.
Hallelujah, praise the Lord.
God
is good.
It only took us 5 hours today, but we got the rest of the curtains sewn.
We don't sew.
We don't. However, the bad news is I needed more of these tabs, right? Bought them from Amazon. I didn't check them. They're the wrong ones. Not only is this a different color, but it's an entirely different leather entirely. So
Can't you just improvise?
I'm gonna order the other ones.
I'd improvise.
They'll be here on Monday.
Okay. But can we put up what we did?
Yeah. Well, we can put up what is already hung. So
We can't put up that big one?
do you see the curtain rod up there?
No, but
Then no. Oh,
sorry.
anyhow.
I'm tired, yeah.
So we can put up all the curtains except 2. But a win, and it's like, meh. But it'll be fixed by Monday, hopefully.
But you know who's winning today? Jeff. He is killing it. Look at him.
No, I think we killed it with those curtains.
Yeah, you guys are crushing it. Everyone's crushing it. Even I'm crushing it. Guys, look at the TV on the wall.
That's one gigantic TV.
Woo, woo. Guys, the TV's about 1.2 jillion pounds. I'm just kidding.
It's gonna be. They're doing a really good job. I'm proud of them. Now, does this have 1 coat of varnish on it?
Oh yeah, just 1 or 2 coats right now.
Okay.
Guys, so the plan with the TV is when we're traveling, we will take it off the wall, and when obviously we put the slides on everything and get set up, it'll go back on the wall. It's actually pretty light. It is a 48-incher, but looks good and it extends out.
I like that, but it hangs down a little bit and it's not just right at the bottom of the window.
Alyssa and Donna putting up the curtains. Mama and daughter having a good time.
See, that's gonna. I don't know why I couldn't.
Doing
fit
the
just
go
one.
together, bonding. That's what love and marriage is for.
Definitely been a bonding experience.
Bonding experience you never forget.
Never forget.
Alyssa and Donna. What'd you just get?
So it was, what was it called? Amazon Day?
Prime Day.
Prime Day. Amazon Prime Day a few weeks ago, and I ordered this corduroy beanbag. Mainly because I've been wanting one for a very long time. And it came in the mail yesterday. So I'm really excited about this. It is the white faux fur, and it came in a box like this, right?
Square box.
So we have to take it out, and then it's gonna grow. But essentially, a queen size mattress fits in this little, not this little thing, but it's gonna go right there in the corner. And that's gonna be a place for us to just chill out and relax. And our guests can sleep on the mattress.
Guys, do you remember when times were simple and your mattress didn't come in a box? Gosh.
Well, that's, I think it's more efficient.
More efficient. So we're gonna put this in the corner real quick and see how big it grows. Taking bets. How fast you guys think it will take to expand?
Really nice.
Yeah, it's gonna look good.
Um,
Everything in here just looks so good. Always working hard.
it actually says, oh, okay, they're assembly steps, which is good. But it says it'll take up to a week to expand to its full potential.
Oh, wow.
But feel free to start lounging anytime. I will lounge immediately. Okay, we got assembly steps.
Awesome. Guys, if you want this thing, that's in the description box below. And click those little linkies.
I mean, that was all wet, so I'm just going to leave it there for tonight.
We'll let it inflate. Oh, but this is going to be great for pillow fort nights.
I
I
know.
was going to say between there and
We have so many.
you have a place for 2 people to sleep easily.
Yeah.
Well, this is a queen size, so you
Yes,
can put
that's-
2 people
Oh,
here.
yeah,
So.
and then at least one up there.
One right there. Wow, you got it all laid out. Looks good.
Yeah, so we'll see what it looks like tomorrow, and then we'll try to put the cover on it.
Guys, I don't know if I'm ending the episode, but if I do, guys, as always, if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise.
Peace.